The story of the Narbonne High School athletic training room is truly inspirational. You're talking about an administrator, Sarah Hollingsworth, who was so passionate about making this project happen. The blood, sweat, and tears put into this. It is truly a story about going from a blank slate to a fully functioning athletic training facility, and it's going to have an impact for years and years to come on the lives of these student athletes.
When I first found out that we were going to be the recipient of sports equipment and the modalities for athletic training facility from Henry Schein, I was super grateful. Our athletes are some of the most deserving athletes in the City of Angels and use sports to build communities. Narbonne High School, we embodied the slogan that it takes a village, and we definitely had a village. We've worked with Henry Schein for the contents of the athletic training room, with Cedars-Sinai, with NFL, and it's an awesome opportunity to partner and be a recipient of this generous donation.
The Tim Davey Award to the Assistant Athletic Trainer of the Year is an award that's given out annually within the NFL. I grew up in California, in Northern California. We didn't have an athletic trainer at my high school. It was incredible to work with Narbonne High School, and I came in because I had got an opportunity to help out where I could and bring some light so that it can help not just Narbonne High School, but also the state of California.
The huge impact that Henry Schein has made in their donation of equipment, the PFATs and Marco from the Chargers, and that is amazing that all of those community partners can come together. And when you have a community supporting a school, anything is possible.
Prior to the implementation of this grant, the athletic training room was just a room, and we've transformed it into a state-of-the-art facility with the equipment that's going to match the competitiveness of our student athletes. It's so important for Narbonne High School to have an athletic trainer on site because it's providing access to equitable sports medicine that is so necessary.
So since I'm a senior here at Narbonne, I've been through 4 years without an athletic trainer. When I get injured, I have access to no one here. So to have an athletic trainer and an athletic training room here, we don't have to go out of our own way to find our own medical care. We have access to, all these resources and machines that will make the recovery process so much easier. So I'm just so grateful for that.
The athletic trainer can play such a crucial role in a student athlete's journey. Not only are they there for the emergency when it happens, but they're there for the conversations. They're there for the support. A lot of our training now is not only just on the physical medicine, but it is also on the mental health aspects that these students face.
It's like the whole encompassing thing, important to sports in general. It extends to our mental health clinicians and making sure that we meet regularly to connect and see if we see any outliers for our players. I'll reach out and say, it doesn't matter if you don't want to talk to me, but maybe you want to talk to somebody else outside of the building and I can facilitate that.
A certified athletic trainer serves as sometimes the inspiration for our athletes to enter the sports medicine field, and in some cases, the certified athletic trainer is the person that saves their life. So it's an integral part of a sports program.
I think the future of athletic training looks fabulous. We hope to have student athletes who are happy, healthy, and performing. And not only that, we're teaching kids about the profession of healthcare. So we are building the healthcare force of the future through these athletic training programs. And once we start to build that, we'll have athletic trainers everywhere.
I think it's really important that we continue to push forward as an athletic training community to provide to our players and to our students everything and anything we'll ever need.
I think to step into this space and see that they are having access to something that they deserve. And so it's a very much feeling of pride when they walk into the Uchenna Nwosu athletic training space, and it's great to see them, accept that gift that we can all give to them.